Welcome to the underground puppy rave where the milk is cold, the lights are flashing, and the guest list is strictly limited to the absolute cutest party animals. POV: you wake up at midnight to find this tiny fluffy overlord judging your life choices from the edge of your bed. He knows your secrets and he requires a seed sacrifice. Look at this marshmallow with flippers absolutely losing its mind over the sheer concept of existing in the snow today. This fluffy white potato begins its morning by attempting a very dramatic interpretative dance routine that looks more like a frantic struggle against an invisible blanket. It rolls around with zero grace and maximum effort, waving its tiny paws like it is trying to hail a taxi in the middle of the Arctic. You can practically hear the inner dialogue of pure chaos as it wobbles through the ice. Eventually, the little guy realizes that being a functional member of society is far too exhausting and decides to just melt. This feline friend is giving the camera a look that says he has seen things no mortal should ever witness. With that scruffy fur and a 1,000-yard stare, he is clearly the main character in a gritty noir film about stolen tuna. Someone give this grumpy little legend a nap and a snack immediately. Behold the ultimate tactical breakdown of a high-stakes backyard heist currently in progress. In the first few frames we witness three fluffy criminals infiltrating the garden sector with the stealth of a freight train. The Calico operative takes point while the gray recruit appears to be sniffing for hidden landmines or perhaps just a very interesting piece of gravel. By the middle act, the white and tan specialist has detached from the main unit to investigate the suspicious dirt patches with extreme prejudice. Finally, the mastermind behind this entire operation is revealed in a dramatic close-up. Look at that face. That is the face of a cat who has never worked a day in her life yet expects a full pension and premium salmon treats. This is not just a family outing, it is a coordinated effort to look adorable enough to avoid all legal consequences for digging up the flower beds. It is their world and we are just the staff. Look at this tuxedo boss claiming the welcome mat like it is a 5-star resort.
خلاص شو بدنا شو بدي ناكله ونشوفوها السلام كي دايره بخير كي دايره الوليدات ناسي ايوا مزيان شو ما شو حشمي ميشا هاي ميشا سلم عليكم وسلم عليهم ميشا.
Watch this chaotic duo transition from sleepy snuggles to a full feline wrestling match in seconds. These tiny warriors are definitely fueled by pure mischief and way too much kibble.
Well, this is our Sunday.
From a fluffy cloud to a grumpy loaf, this kitten has officially mastered the feline stare. The cat on this bag of catbox litter looks like it has seen some things, perhaps a glimpse into the chaotic future of your living room. With its wide, soulful eyes fixed on a horizon that only felines can perceive, it really captures the existential dread of being an indoor cat waiting for the next scoop. This premium activated carbon formula promises to reduce odor and destroy all bacteria, ensuring your home remains a sanctuary rather than a scented challenge. Whether you have a tiny kitten or a massive tabby, this is the ultimate luxury experience. Pick up a bag today and keep everything fresh.
Bao lớn 24 khách, dùng bền, tiết kiệm chi phí lâu dài. Giá chỉ từ 2 ít trích, hợp túi tiền, chất lượng vượt mong đợi. Dùng Catbox, giòn cay nhanh, nhà luôn thơm mát. Liên hệ ngay tổng của Catbox để có giá xỉ cực tốt cho anh em lấy số lượng lớn.
This, pull this down. Like this. You see that?
Alex Johnson?
Cho cái hôi theo của nó đó hả?
Shut my way on over to you. You like my shirt? I like your suit. Shut my way on over to you. You like D-Day, they got nothing to do.
The delicate art of feline larceny is truly a sight to behold as these fluffy criminals execute their master plans with zero remorse. We start with a stealthy reach from behind the screen where a single dumpling stands no chance against those silent paws. Then we witness a bold attempt to snag some greasy takeout right next to an unsuspecting laptop user. The third suspect is a refined gentleman aiming for the chocolate chip cookies while looking deep into your soul with those massive innocent eyes. Following that, we have a breakfast bandit being physically restrained from a jam-covered croissant because sugar is a hell of a drug for a house cat. Finally, an orange tabby shows off its impressive vertical leap trying to score some countertop scraps. They really have no shame at all.
All I got is bread going through my head when I go to bed. Bread.
The definition of a power nap involves sleeping like a log while forgetting how to put your tongue back inside your mouth. Such a very talented cat.
ทำไมทำไมทำไม